Taking it easy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Crest into left 7, 200. Right 8, 80. And right 9 over crest. And crest 300 up, kinks. Repeat 300 up, kinks, and left 8 over crest at the top there.
Good.
50. Repeat left 8 over crest. 50. Right 5 at junction hidden. 150. Left 7 plus, stay in. Repeat, 150, left 7 plus, stay in. Into right 7, tighten 6 late, ends over crest. Be right 7, tighten 6 late, ends over crest. And right 8 half long. Be right 8 half long. And left 8 half long, tightens 3 late. Repeat, left 8 half long, tightens 3 late. 30. Left 7 water, stay in. Into right 5. Repeat, left 7 water, stay into right 5. 250. Flat right over crest, okay, and right 9, and left 5, be right 9 and left 5, and right 6, be left 5 and right 6, and left 7, 30, be left 7 here, 30, left 8, and right 7, tightens 5 late, ends over crest, be right 7, tightens 5 late, ends over crest, into left 7, and small crest, into left 6 plus 100 up, be left 6 plus 100 up, right 6 plus, don't go wide, 50, repeat, right 6 plus, don't go wide, 50, left 7 up, into right 7, repeat, left 7 up into right 7, and then brake over big crest into left 3 plus, repeat, right 7, brake over big crest into left 3 plus. Yep. And left 5, be left 3 plus and left 5. And right 8. Left 5 here and right 8. And flat left, 150, stay left. Be flat left and 150, stay left. And then stay left to right 8 over crest, tightens over second crest, 80. Or be right 8 over crest, tightens over second crest, 80. Right 9 over crest, 200 down. Or be right 9 over crest, 200 down. Left 7, stay in over crest. Repeat, left 7, stay in over crest. And right 7, stay in. And crest into left 5, neat. Be right 7, stay in here. And crest into left 5, neat. 50.
Left 5 neat?
Yes, 50. Right 7 short over crest. Into left 6. Be right 7 short over crest into left 6. Into right 7 and stay left over crest. Down and right 3 half long opens on exit. Be left over crest down and right 3 half long opens on exit. 50. Right 5 over crest. And brake on second crest into left 5. Be right 5 over crest and brake on second crest into left 5. And crest. Into right 7 up. And deceptive right 4 over crest. Be right 7 up and deceptive right 4 over crest. And left 6 tightens 5. Tightens 4 plus over crest. Repeat, left 6 tightens 5 and tightens 4 plus over crest. 100 kinks down. Left 6 half long at the bottom, tightens 5 long, 30. Right 7, tightens 5 here long, and then 30, right 7. 100 down, stay left. Be right 7, 100 down, stay left. Into slippy right 7, and left 5. Repeat, slippy right 7, and left 5. 80. Flat right, and keep mid right over crest. Be flat right and keep mid right over crest. 100 kinks. Slippy maybe right 5. Be 100 kinks, slippy maybe right 5. Into left 9. Repeat, slippy maybe right 5. Into left 9. 80. Right 9 and right 8 over crest, snow. Be right 9 and right 8 over crest, snow here, 50. Slick, icy on inside, left 5, half long, 50. Flat right through bridge. Good. Flat right through bridge and left 9 over crest to finish. Very nice, good?
Good.
Excellent, dude, that was fucking...
Yeah.
Good job.
I was on it, but...
Good fucking stage.